Hello and welcome to this coding lecture. Now we're going through all of these different steps and we are starting with the installation of Python. For that you can head over to python.org/downloads, and in here there are many different versions that you can choose from. I would recommend to use one from the generation 3.12 because it is tested with this one. And I've seen some issues with newer ones, so I would say that you shouldn't use anything above 3.13. So we are going to use this 3.12. So we're going to choose one from the 3.12 area, click on download, and then we can select out of a range of different versions. I'm working with Windows, so I'm downloading the Windows installer, and as soon as it's done, I'm going to start the installation. And for the installation, there is not much to mention. The only thing that I would recommend to you is that you set this parameter here. So make sure that you add the Python exit to the path. That is making it much simpler for you, because then from every location you can just start typing Python and it's finding the Python exit because it is part of the path variable. Good, the rest is just clicking install and going through it and everything is fine. I'm going to stop this. I have done that before.